This analytics video goes over how to mark GA4 events as conversions. First, go to analytics.google.com. Next, go to Admin. Scroll down and click on Events. Here, you will see a list of all the events that GA4 auto-created, as well as any you created yourself and sent from Google Tag Manager. If you do not see an event that you just created in Google Tag Manager, give it at least 24 hours to show in this list. It will not show until someone takes that event action on your website. The next thing you need to do is find the event that you want to mark as a conversion and select the toggle to turn it blue. It has now been marked as a conversion. You will then see it show up in the conversion section. It will also show up on your reports.